What's up, Papa? Hi, Mom. Hello. Hello.
Have you ever been to Dutch Bros?
No.
Never? I don't think I've ever been either. What'd you get? The what?
The caramelizer. And you got the kicker.
It looks good.
Yeah, that's good. Cheers. Oh, this is pretty good.
Yeah, most of the time they just taste like milk.
Oh, yours is good.
Yeah. I give this a 7 out of 10.
I feel like an 8. It's not too sweet. It's like perfect. I thought it looked sweeter, like Summer Moon. That one's fucking sweet.
Alright, so as I was driving home from work yesterday, I saw this place in the Pearl that looked pretty decent. So I decided to bring Bianca. And we're gonna check it out. It's a little restaurant. It looks pretty decent, I hope. But yeah, we're gonna see. It's here downtown. I don't know if it is. Would this be considered downtown? No, this is the Pearl. I guess it's downtown, right?
Yeah.
Downtown San Antonio.
It's Fiesta Week.
Fiesta Week, whatever that means. It's a little Corona. Yeah.
Like there's dogs that
Look at that guy. Oh, he's got a hat and his head comes off. Is that where you put the dog treats?
I think so.
Enigma.
In the Pearl. Am I recording? Yeah. Alright, leaving the Pearl. The restaurant we went to, or that I chose, wasn't very good. The drink was okay. It was really sweet. How was your steak?
Well, it was not bad, but I could have made that. You could have made it better. But it was an environment type of thing.
Yeah, for sure.
Getting
Just
out
the
of the
area.
house. What?
Right now, next in today's little adventure, we're going to stop by Best Buy in hopes to replace this camera right here. We're going to try to get a 4K camera.
Yeah, 4K camera.
Yeah, a 4K camera. So let's see.
No. We're
Alright. Okay, the last Best Buy I didn't have it. So now we're coming into the one where we live. But hopefully they have it. Bianca said she wants a drone too, but I don't think she's about it.
I want a drone and then a GoPro.
I don't think she's about it, but we'll find out.
I can't walk my dogs. The Shelby's and the Alphys.
You ready to fly your fucking drone?
Ready to walk my dog?
Ah, the Mavic Air 2. Alright, try number 3. Best Buy number 3. Good luck. This time we won't walk out with a drone. Alright, so just like everything else in our life and the way that everything goes, we're going to the 4th Best Buy
Yep.
to get the fucking camera. But hopefully this one has it. I don't know if it's going to.
Actually, it's 10 minutes until they close, so
Oh yeah,
that's another story of our life.
What is it, 7:49? 7:50.
Yeah, they close at 8.
Close at 8, and we're gonna be the last ones in the store, of course. So hopefully they even have this camera.
Right into the
Living life on the edge. Open.
All right, walking into this Best Buy. Just right before they close. They close in about 9 minutes. So we're gonna see if we can find this camera.
What happened to that?
I don't know. Okay, camera quality in 3, 2.
Brand new camera. Alright, we just had dinner. I was editing the video and I realized that I didn't record anything with the new camera, which is kind of the whole purpose of why we got this thing. That was nasty. Okay, well, check it out. Look, here are my dogs. Shelby's. There's one. I don't know where the other one is. The other one's asleep. The other one is right here. Yep. Now the lighting on this camera and the lighting in the house in general is actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you have to say?
It's Mimi's time.
It is late.
Then just...
We got some toys, by the way. We got some toys. So we got this bad boy right here. Now I can't see. This drone. Wow. And a GoPro. All for the trip to Cabo. Yeah, don't mind the mess. My maid is still cleaning. Yeah, we're gonna do a test footage on the drone here in a little bit, so stick with me. GoPro that we got too. Supposedly this thing shoots in 5K, right? Mm-hmm. 5K. That footage is gonna be right. This is my Yango sleeping and my doggies.
Eating their bones.
My Shelby.
Alfie, show your face.
Alfie doesn't like it. We just had dinner with a really, really good dessert. Hello, my love. Hello, little Alfie.
Wait, hold on. Okay, we're about to fly him. See? Oh my god. Mark! Oh my god. Okay, relax, bro. Sorry. How can it look at us? Is that the camera? Is that what you're doing, or are you flying him?
No, I'm flying it. Side to side.
Okay, well be careful, don't do it so fast. Where are you going? You're getting very confident.
Look, there's a car.
Could have so used that when we lost our dog, you know?
I think I'm gonna insert some clips. Starting right now.